Thank you for joining this training series on the RODA collection by Basco. This video will cover RODA's bypass and fixed panel sliders. RODA is Basco's heavy glass luxury shower door collection. Every RODA shower enclosure is custom crafted and designed to meet our highest quality standards. The RODA line is designed to turn dreams into reality. Most models in this line are available for customization to ensure your clients have the bathroom of their dreams. In this training video, we will walk through RODA's bypass and fixed panel sliders, the Celesta, Rotolo, Vanessa, and Rollaire series. We will also cover RODA's glass and cleaning options. The transitional, streamlined appearance and variety of design configurations make the Celesta series the perfect complement to any bathroom shape and decor. The beauty delivered by this series makes any shower feel like a high-end spa experience. Celesta sliders are available as tub and shower doors. The handle and towel bar options for the Celesta sliding tub and shower doors include a through-the-glass towel bar and a back-to-back knob. A single-sided handle option is also available. Available finish options are shown here as well. The Rotolo series is the perfect combination of contemporary looks and functionality. The beautiful design and smooth rolling functionality of the Rotolo series makes it the perfect door to complement any space. The Rotolo features bypass rolling doors with a modern header and visible top rollers available for tub or shower doors. The design elements of the Rotolo include a header with visible top rollers in a contemporary barn door style, a through-the-glass towel bar, and a minimalistic through-the-glass pool. Finish options for the Rotolo include oil-rubbed bronze, brushed nickel, chrome, and matte black. The Vanessa series provides the perfect balance of beauty, function, and affordable luxury. Developed specifically to fit today's most popular shower openings, the urban-style double or single rolling design make it the ideal solution when space is at a premium. The Vanessa Luxe features distinctive double rollers for sleek, smooth operation, while the standard Vanessa features a single roller design. Both models are available in two pre-configured opening sizes. The Vanessa comes with a 13-inch through-the-glass pool handle. The Vanessa features a header accented with a glossy single roller. The Vanessa Luxe features a header with a binary roller system with supreme configurations for a smooth operation. The finish options for both the Vanessa and Vanessa Luxe are chrome and brushed nickel. With a magnificent blend of architectural elegance and upscale flair, the Rollaire series is an innovative masterpiece in design and delivers sophisticated luxury with exceptional performance. The heavy tempered glass provides a smooth experience when rolling the door with an oversized handle. The shower door's exposed rollers are above the glass door and panel. The Rollaire features unique design elements like its top roller and header and oversized 19.5-inch through-the-glass pool. Stainless steel hardware is used on the Rollaire in place of aluminum, making it stand out. The finish options are brushed stainless steel and chrome. Heavy glass options include rain, clear, Vestance, Tempest, silk, and strata. Pure glass is also available in silk, clear, and shower guard glass options. Available in any RODA glass, AquaGlide XP is a revolutionary ultra-protective coating that bonds to the glass and keeps it in pristine condition, backed by a 10-year warranty when factory applied. This low-maintenance option requires less cleaning than untreated glass. Guardian Shower Guard is an engineered heavy glass that permanently protects and shields water. This is a no-maintenance option and requires no special cleaners or added treatment. Thank you for watching this training on the RODA Collection Slider Edition. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your regional sales manager.